In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then select safety and emergency. Over here, click on emergency contacts and tap on add contact to click on the one you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to change order of the contacts on your list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold the chosen one and drag it to the proper place. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. To get rid of one of your contacts, hit this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!